Hello friends, in this video we'll learn how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Now we all know, for a recap, improper fraction is represented as 7 by 3, and when the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is called improper fraction. In this case 7 by 3, 7 is greater than 3, so this is an improper fraction. This same improper fraction can also be represented as 2 integer 1 by 3. It is called mixed fraction. Mixed because it has an integer part and it has a fraction part also. This 2 integer 1 by 3 is nothing but 2 plus 1 by 3. Now in our past videos we have seen that 7 by 3 means 7 into 1 by 3, and 7 into 1 by 3 means what? 7, for example, we have an apple and we cut that apple into 3 equal parts. Size of each part will be represented as 1 by 3, and 7 by 3 means we have 7 such parts which size is 1 by 3. So what is 7 multiplied by 1 by 3? We actually add 1 by 3 7 times. So 1 by 3 7 times is written as 1 by 3 plus 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 1 by 3. So we add this 7 times, 1 by 3. Now this apple is cut into 3 parts and size of each is 1/3, 1 by 3. So 3 pieces will be 1 apple. So 3 pieces will be 1 apple. These 3 pieces will also be 1 apple, and we are left with one single piece of size 1 by 3. So what is this total? This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 by 3. And 2 plus 1 by 3 is also represented as 2 integer 1 by 3. So this is the concept of converting an improper fraction which is written as 7 by 3 into a mixed fraction which will be written as 2 integer 1 by 3. So when we have to mathematically do this same thing, what we are doing is 7 by 3, when we are clubbing these 3 pieces and these 3 pieces, we are actually dividing this 7 by 3, because 7 by 3 is nothing but 7 divided by 3. So we are actually dividing this 7 by 3. So these 3 is 1, these 3 is 1 more, and 1 by 3. So mathematically how do we do it? We divide 7 by 3. So when we divide 7 by 3, what we get is 2 as quotient, and we get 1 as remainder. See, this is 2 and this 1. So 1 as remainder when we divide 7 by 3, and this is how we represent. So 2 quotient plus and remainder, which we have to divide by 3, and this 2 plus 1 by 3 will be represented as 2 integer 1 by 3. Let's take up one more example. 23 by 4. This is an improper fraction. We have to convert it into a mixed fraction. Now we cannot write down 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 23 times, because it will become a very tedious process. So straight away divide this 23 by 4. When we divide 23 by 4, we get quotient as 5 and we get remainder as 3, because 4 5s are 20. So 5 quotient and 3 remainder, and this simply will be written as 5, because if it was an apple which was divided into 4 equal parts, we will have 4 full apples counting to 20 parts of size 1 by 4 each, and we will be left with means remainder 3 more parts of size 1 by 4. So 5 plus 3 parts of size 1 by 4. This is how we will write down the total pieces of apple. And 5, so this is nothing but 5 plus 3 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, and this is 5 integer 3 by 4. So this is how we convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Let's take up an example. 42 by 35. This is an improper fraction because 42 is greater than 35. Straight away we divide 42 by 35. So when we divide, what we get will be a quotient of 1, and we will have a remainder of 7. So there will be one full apple which will be divided into 35 equal parts, and size of each part will be 1 by 35, and we will have 35 such parts plus 7 parts will be remaining of size 1 by 35 each. So quotient is 1, remainder is 7, and we write it as 1 full apple plus 7 pieces of size 1 by 35 each, and this is 1 plus 7 by 35, and this will be written as 1 integer 7 by 35. So this is our final answer to convert 42 by 35 into a mixed fraction, which will be 1 integer 7 by 35. Let's take up one more example. 52 divided by 25. When we divide 52 by 25, 25 2s are 50 plus 2 is 52. So quotient is 2 and remainder is 2, and this will be written as 2 plus 2 upon 25, and this will be written as 2 integer 2 upon 25. Now friends, we will see how we convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. For example, we are given a mixed fraction simple like 1 integer 1 by 2. Now what does 1 integer 1 by 2 mean? 1 integer 1 by 2 means there is one apple which is divided into 2 equal parts, because this is 1 by 2. So there are 2 equal parts of that apple, and we have one full apple. This is 1 plus 1 by 2. This 1 means we have one full apple which has 2 equal parts of 1 by 2 each. So how many parts will be there of 1 by 2 each in one full apple? We will have 2 parts. So this will be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and we have this 1 by 2. How many are there? 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 pieces of that apple which size is 1 by 2. So we have 3 into 1 by 2, and 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, and this is an improper fraction, and this is how we convert one integer 1 by 2 which is a mixed fraction to 2 by 3 by 2 which is an improper fraction, and we can see that 3 is greater than 2, so it is an improper fraction. So conceptually, this is how we will convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. But mathematically, when we have to convert a mixed fraction like one integer 1 by 2 into an improper fraction, now in the previous example of conversion from improper to mixed fraction, we saw that this 1 is the quotient. In this, the quotient is 1 and remainder is 1. Okay, and this is how we write it. So this was the quotient. So when we have to convert it into an improper fraction, what we'll do is we will multiply this 2 with this quotient 1. So 2 into 1 we'll get 1. Sorry, 2 into 1 we'll get 2 plus the remainder, which is 1, and this full thing divided by 2. This is equal to 3 by 2. So mathematically, whenever we are given one integer 1 by 2 and when we have to convert it into an improper fraction, simply this is the quotient part, multiply this 2 by 1, 2 ones are 2, add the numerator part of the fraction part, which is the remainder. So 2 plus 1 by 2 and 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So this is how we will convert it mathematically. Let's take up one more example. 4 integer 3 by 4. So in this, quotient is 4, remainder is 3, and simply multiply this 4 with the quotient. 4 4s are 16, add the remainder to it, 16 plus 3 upon this 4, and 16 plus 3 upon 4 is 19 upon 4. So 4 integer 3 by 4 is equal to 19 upon 4. We have a mixed fraction, 4 integer 1 by 25. We have to convert it into an improper fraction. So in this, the quotient part is 4 and the remainder part is 1 and divisor is 25. So we simply multiply this 25 with the quotient first. 25 into 4 is 100. Add the remainder to it, which is 1, divided by 25. 100 plus 1 upon 25 is equal to 101 upon 25. So 4 integer 1 by 25 is equal to 101 by 25. And this is how, friends, we convert any improper fraction into mixed fraction, or we can convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Please don't forget to subscribe and please don't forget to share this with your friends. We'll see more such methods on fractions and more videos on fractions in the times to come. Thank you so much.